Take a ride in the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, FWD, headlights auto off, remote trunk release. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.